Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma and you are watching video tutorial series of Aptitude and Reasoning Concept. In this series, I will be discussing the concept in three categories. The first one is Concept Maker, in which I will be discussing the basics. The second is Concept Builder, in which I will be discussing the numericals on the topic. And in the third category, that is Concept Enhancer, I will be discussing the tips and tricks to solve the problems orally in the real-time scenario. So now I will start with my today's topic. In this video, I will be discussing the problem on ratio and proportion. So our problem says that in a container there is 40 liters of mixture of milk and water. Okay, so 40 liters of mixture of milk and water, and milk and water are in the ratio 3:1. So how much water should be added so that the ratio becomes 2:1? Okay, so here we know that milk is 3x and water is 1x, and the total is 40. So 4x is equal to 40, x is equal to 10. Okay, so we have 30 liters of milk and 10 liters of water. Now how much water should be added? So 30 upon how much water should be added, that is 10 plus x, so that, or 10 plus a we can say, because here we have already taken x, so 10 plus a, so that the ratio becomes 2:1. Okay, so it will be 30 is equal to 20 plus 2a, then this is 10 is equal to 2a, and a is equal to 5 liters. Okay, now we can see here that when we add 5 liters of water, then how much mixture will be formed? 45 liters of mixture will be formed. Milk is already 30 and water will be increased and will become 15. So the ratio becomes 2:1. So here our problem is solved, but I would like to derive a rule so that you can just apply the rule and solve the problem and in the exams. Okay, so the rule says that if milk and water are in ratio P:Q and the quantity of mixture is the quantity of mixture, that is 40 in our case, is x. Okay, then how much water should be added? How much water should be added so that the ratio becomes A:B. Okay, so we have a formula for this: x into PB minus QA upon A into P plus Q. Okay, then we have to apply the formula. Here in our case, this was 3, this was 1, this was 2, this was 1, and this was 40. Okay, so x is 40, P is 3 into 1 minus 1 into 2 upon A is 2, 3 plus 1. Okay, this formula we have to remember. So this much water should be added, and when we solve this, this will be 40 into, this is 3 minus 2 is 1, then this is 4, this is 8, and the answer is 5 liters. Okay, so we get the answer like this. Okay, so you have to remember this formula. Okay, now one more thing. This question can be solved orally also. Okay, what was the total amount? It was 40 liters. How much was milk? 30 liters. How much was water? 10 liters. What ratio we want? 2:1. We want the ratio 2:1, right? So in this case, if we add some amount of water here, then this 30 will become double of this. Okay, milk will become double of water. So when milk will become double of water? When this 10 is not 10, it is 15. Okay, so if it is 15, then what will happen? This will be 2:1. So if this, to make this 15, how much water we have to add here? 5 liters. So if we add 5 liters, this will become 15 and this will become half of the amount of milk. Okay, so this problem could have been solved orally also. So these were the 3 options. Whichever option you feel and whichever option clicks you at the time of exam, just follow that and find the answer. The key is that you have to solve the problem as fast as possible. Okay, so I will be solving many numericals in my other parts of video. So keep watching the videos and stay connected. So we are done with the lesson. If you find the video helpful, then give a thumbs up and share the video with your friend. Every Friday I will be uploading more videos, so stay connected and subscribe to the channel. If you want notes and worksheets, just click here and go to my blog for the notes. If you have any doubt, you can comment or mail me. So all the best, study well, score well, and thank you so much.